Hey students, welcome back to our series on how to use Autodesk Fusion 360 for class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a spot set up on our Fusion 360 team. It allows you to save work and share work with your teacher, and I haven't found a different way to save. Teachers, if you're watching this and there's a different way to save, I'd love to find out how. Anyways, I digress. So we're going to head into Google, and on your Google Chrome, I want you to head into your Gmail. Your teacher should have sent you an email that says, join the hub. Now, depending on when the email was sent, we might get different results, but you should be able to click on join team, and it should bring you in to an opportunity to join in on the Fusion 360 team that your teacher has created. There we go, we got in, and we're going to click on the arrow. If you got something other than this, please contact your teacher and they can send you a second follow-up email invitation. So now that I've gotten in, I can read through the little tour. Take your time to read through this content. This helps you walk through where everything is. Alright, now that we're in here, you can see that there are maybe some students listed depending on when you're doing this activity. You may have other classmates listed. You might be the first one in, so the list might be just blank. But what you need to do is make sure in the top corner where it says Create Project, you create a project in your name. Please make sure that in this box where it says Project Name, you put in your first name and your last name. I recommend leaving the security as closed. Pick out an item here. If you'd like to be really creative, you can upload your own image. I'm going to pick one that I haven't seen many students use so I can find my project a little bit more easy, and I'm going to click on Create Project. Once I click Create My Project, it will bring me into this page. I can add project members if I would like. I really don't want to add as an individual student. I don't want to add anybody else, but you could go in and add your teacher. For this particular assignment, please take a minute and screen capture what you see here. Now, depending on where your teacher is in the process of getting your Fusion 360 account changed over from a trial version to a student version, you may see a countdown of how many days left for your trial are remaining. If your count's getting up there, like you're on day 28 of 30 and your teacher hasn't transferred you over, don't be afraid to ask that teacher to set you up with a seat that they have available, because then you don't have to worry about running out of those 30 days.